We're gonna try to hold this bucket and drill at the same time.
You got this.
Oh,
That was loud and hard.
woo!
That was a big one.
Kind of shocking when it does go, huh?
Okay.
Hey. I'm gonna scare ya.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, in our kit, we have the watering cup. Each one comes with a gasket already on here. And then, whoops, and then another gasket for the inside and a nut, nut. So, uh-oh,
What was that?
it's not quite big enough.
Okay, let's try it now.
So you have to kind of bore it out just a little bit, it looks like. Did that hurt you? I'm sorry. And then we're going to take the little gasket,
Sand pieces that are getting in my eyes.
put that on the inside, take the little teeny tiny little wing nut. Install it. Try to get these things as level as I possibly can.
Not too much that. Yeah.
That's what we got so far. I don't want to over tighten it because everything is very plastic, but I want those gaskets to seat. Okay, if I can keep my legs from breaking it.
Hey, Mom, you need to get it done.
Final product.